let's bling a Starbucks lid. So of course you're going to want to go ahead and sand your lid with a nail file or a sanding block just to give it a little grip for the rhinestones. The glue I used today was Royal Glitz because it is an everyday use item. And I'm going to do a rhinestone lid in black rhinestones. And the rhinestone size that I'm using is 5M. So I'm going to do the side of the lid first, and I'm just going to go around and around in a circle until they both meet on the other side. Since that's done, I'm going to lay the lid flat and I'm going to start with the top of the lid, and I'm going to go around in a circle, just following the lid itself, and I'm just going to do this around and around until I get to the middle part. And today I only used one size rhinestone. If I felt like the space was too small, I would just go back and adjust the rhinestones to make a little space in between all of them so that it fits. You don't need any other stone besides a 5M rhinestone or SS20. And once you keep doing the round and around, it will come out like this. And that is how you do a Starbucks lid.